Hello friends, welcome to infyGyan. In this video, we are going to take up one very interesting system of equations problem. Here we have x, y, z belongs to real numbers and x, y, z cannot be equal to 0. Denominator cannot be 0. Now we are going to take LCM for all the three equations. So we'll get y plus z plus x, which we can write x plus y plus z in the numerator over x times y plus z, xy plus zx equal to half. From second equation, we will get x plus y plus z over y times z plus x, yz plus xy equal to 1/3. From third equation, we will get x plus y plus z over z times x plus y, zx plus yz, which will be equal to 1 over 4. Now we will find xy plus zx from this equation, yz plus xy from this equation, and zx plus yz from this equation. We will get xy plus zx equal to 2 times x plus y plus z. From second, we will get yz plus xy, which will be equal to 3 times x plus y plus z. From third equation, we will find zx plus yz, which will be equal to 4 times x plus y plus z. Let's say this is equation 1, equation 2, this is equation number 3. Now we are going to add all the three equations. So we will write here plus sign, xy plus xy 2xy, yz plus yz 2yz, zx plus zx 2zx. 2 is common, so in the bracket there would be xy plus yz plus zx equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4, 9 times x plus y plus z. We can divide both sides by 2. 2 over 2 will become 1. So in RHS there would be 9 over 2 times x plus y plus z. Let's say this is fourth equation. Now we are going to perform operations 4 minus 1, 4 minus 2 and 4 minus 3. Let me write all the four equations first. So we will perform 4 minus 1. Here we have equation 4 and here we have equation 1. We will subtract equation 1 from equation 4 and we will get yz in LHS. In right hand side there would be 9 over 2 minus 2, which is 4.5 minus 2, 2.5. We can write 5 over 2 times x plus y plus z. Now we will perform operation 4 minus 2, which will become zx equal to 3 over 2 times x plus y plus z. And if we will perform 4 minus 3 operation, we are going to get xy, which is equal to half times x plus y plus z. Now we have to find x plus y plus z from all the three equations. We will get x plus y plus z will be equal to 2yz over 5. From second equation, x plus y plus z will be equal to 2 over 3 times zx. From third equation, x plus y plus z will become 2xy. Now I will equate these three and we can write over here 2 over 5 times yz equal to 2 over 3 times zx equal to 2xy. We have 2 in the numerators. Let's divide by 2. We will get yz over 5 equal to zx over 3 equal to xy. So we have first equation. If I will write here yz over 5 equal to zx over 3. Now z cannot be equal to 0. So we can divide both sides by z. Now we will cancel z from both the sides. So y over 5 will be equal to x over 3. Or we can write y in terms of x, 5 over 3 times x. From these two equations, we will write zx over 3 equal to xy. We will divide both sides by x and we will get z equal to 3y. Now y is 5 over 3 times x. So we can write 3 times 5 over 3 times x. 3 and 3 will get over. We will write z will be equal to 5x. Now we have y and z in terms of x. I will be using our equation yz equal to 5 over 2 times x plus y plus z. We have y equal to 5 over 3 times x, z equal to 5x. So we'll put over here, let's put 5 over 3 times x, this is y, z is 5x equal to 5 over 2 in bracket x plus 5 over 3 times x plus 5x. Now we can take x common from the bracket. So we will write here 25x square over 3 will be equal to 5x over 2, and in the bracket there would be 1 plus 5 over 3 plus 5. Now x cannot be equal to 0. So we can divide both sides by x. So power 2 and x will be over. We will divide both sides by 5. So here we can write 5 only and this 5 will be over. So we will write 5x over 3 in LHS, and in RHS there would be half in the bracket 6 plus 5 over 3, which will be equal to 18 plus 5, 23 over 3. So we will write 23 over 2 times 3, and here we'll write 5x over 3. We'll multiply both sides by 3. So denominator 3 will be cancelled out. And we will divide by 5 also to get the value of x. So we will write 23 over 2 times 5. I am writing 10. So x will become 23 over 10. Once x is known, y and z is also known. So we will write y equal to 5 over 3 times x, and x is 23 over 10. We'll cancel 5 and 10, so there would be 2. Y will become 23 over 6. Now the turn of z. Z is 5x. So 5 times 23 over 10. 5 and 10 will be over. In denominator there would be 2. So 23 over 2. Now we have x comma y comma z. So x is 23 over 10. Y is 23 over 6. Z is 23 over 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.